Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to install OpenShot video editor on Mac using Homebrew. So let's get into it. So to start with, you put in Brew cask install OpenShot video editor and click the enter and click enter. So it has been installed. So you then need to go to the application. When you try and open it, it will tell you that it cannot be opened because Apple cannot check it for malicious software. So you will need to go into settings. You'll need to click, you'll need to click OK, and then you'll need to go into settings, security and privacy. And let it open anyway. And it has opened. So anyway, thank you for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope this helped you install OpenShot. I know it is a bit hard installing it than most applications. If you enjoyed today's video, like and subscribe and share. And goodbye.